If you open your inbox and instantly feel stressed because important emails are buried under newsletters, notifications, and random updates, and you're wasting 30 to 60 minutes a day just sorting and scanning, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll explain what SaneBox is, how SaneBox works, and I'll show you how to set it up and train it the right way that even a non-tech user can do. Now, I've left a link in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up and try it out for completely free. Let's dive in. What is SaneBox? SaneBox is an inbox organization tool that works with the email you already use. For example, Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, or any email client. It doesn't replace your inbox. Instead, it runs quietly in the background automatically. It moves low-priority emails out of your main inbox and keeps important emails front and center, and helps you handle follow-ups and read later emails. Think of SaneBox as a smart sorting assistant for your inbox. Now, how SaneBox works? SaneBox works using one simple idea. It watches what you do, then copies your habits. It learns from signals, for example, which emails you open quickly and which ones you reply to, and which ones you always ignore, which senders you care about. Then it starts sorting emails into folders so your main inbox starts looking clean and it stays clean. It is important. It's not like ChatGPT writing emails for you. It's more like a smart automation that learns from your behavior. With SaneBox, you'll be given 3 folders. As you can see right here, the main folders will be Sane Later, and this is where SaneBox puts emails it thinks are not urgent. For example, emails that often go here are your invoice is ready, your weekly report, or your account notifications or system updates, as you can see right here. You can check Sane Later once a day or once a week. And now another folder that you'll also get access to is Sane News. This is for newsletters and promos you don't want mixed with real emails. And you'll also get the Sane Black Hole. This is the nuclear option. From here, you can drop an email sender in here and you'll never see them again. No unsubscribing, no spam marking, just gone. Now let's follow along as I show you how to set it up. Once you have tapped on the link in the description, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. From here, you're going to tap on Try It Now for free. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And you have a few options. You can either choose to connect your Google account, Yahoo account, or you can simply put in your email address right here and select Create Account. Once you have tapped on Create Account, it is going to ask you a few questions, and from there you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. So you're going to allow permissions so SaneBox can organize emails. Once connected, SaneBox starts sorting automatically within minutes. So once you're connected, if you were to go back into your email account that you have connected, you're going to see some labels on the left-hand column, as you can see right here. Now, don't panic if your inbox looks different. A lot of people often open their inbox and think, wait, where did my emails go? They are not deleted, they are just sorted into those folders. Now, let's talk about training SaneBox. Here's the best part. Training SaneBox is drag and drop. And if an email ends up in Sane Later but you want it in your main inbox, all you'll need to do is go into Sane Later. And then from there, you can simply drag it and add it to inbox just like that. So let's say, for example, I would like to add this email from Substack. All I would need to do is select the email, drag it, and then from there, I can add it to inbox. Now, if I were to go to inbox, it will automatically be added. Now, let's say, for example, something is cluttering your inbox and you want to drag it into Sane Later or Sane News. All you'll need to do is simply drag it into Sane Later or Sane News. So for example, let's say I would like to add this email right here. I can simply drag it and place it into Sane Later. And just like that, it is gone. If it is a case that you never want to see an email sender again, you can drag and place it in Sane Black Hole. So let's say, for example, this email. And just like that, I'll never see it again. That's it. Do that for about a week and it gets noticeably smarter. Now let's talk about some real examples. Let's say you run a small business and your inbox has client emails, Stripe or PayPal receipts, shipping updates, tool notifications, newsletters, and calendar reminders. With SaneBox, clients' emails stay in your main inbox, receipts go into the receipts folder, and newsletters go into the Sane News, and random tool notifications go into the Sane Later folder. So your inbox becomes important conversations only. By the way, to add a custom folder, for example, you can see I have the reports folder right here. To create it, all you'll need to do once you're on your SaneBox dashboard, you're going to tap right where you see folders. So you're going to select views. After you have selected views, you're going to scroll down and you can see the different folders right here. And you're just going to tap right where you see DIY custom folders. And you'll tap right there on create. And from here, you could simply type in receipts, for example. Then you'll tap on create. Once you have created the new folder, it is going to appear in your email. And from there, you just need to drag a few received emails for a few days and it automatically will add receipts whenever you receive them. It's as easy as that when it comes onto training. Now, let's talk about some features beginners actually use. Here are features most people use daily. The Sane Later or Sane News will reduce inbox noise immediately. Also, Sane Black Hole stop annoying senders permanently. And the snooze folders like tomorrow, if you want to handle an email later, you snooze it and it comes back when you choose. So for example, you can drag it to Sane tomorrow, you can drag it to Sane next week or next month, and it will automatically reappear in your inbox whenever you choose. So for example, if I were to drag a message into Sane next week, that message will reappear in my inbox next week. It's as simple as that. Now you also have the folder Sane No Replies. This will show you emails you sent where nobody replied. This is great for client follow-ups. Now let's talk about what you should expect. SaneBox usually isn't perfect on day one. Expect it to be about 80 to 90% accurate at first, but it improves fast if you check Sane Later daily for the first week and you drag any mistakes to the right place. After a week or two, most people say it feels almost automatic. Now, who is SaneBox best for? It is best for busy professionals, business owners, anyone getting lots of noise emails, people who want inbox cleanup without switching email apps. Skip it if you want AI to write emails for you, or you want meeting scheduling automation and you barely get emails. Now, when it comes on to pricing, with SaneBox you can get started for completely free for 14 days, and their monthly plan begins at $8.99 and it can go up to $39, so it's quite affordable. In fact, if you have 2 email accounts that you would like to connect, it will only cost $14.99. And you can see you'll be able to connect 2 email accounts, and by scrolling down you'll get access to all of the features. Now, in conclusion, if your problem is my inbox is full of junk and I'm missing important emails, SaneBox is built exactly for that. It saves time by sorting the noise automatically, so you're focused on emails that actually matter. If you want to try SaneBox, I'll leave a link in the description and pinned comment so you can test it and see if it fits your workflow. Thank you for watching.